Okay, so I'm just gonna sit on the floor to do this unboxing, but I'll show you what it looks like on as well. So as you would have seen, this is what the bag came in. So it comes with a little dust bag to keep it in, which is nice. I was hoping that it did, just so I can have something to protect the suede leather, but I'll take this off for now. I mean, it kind of looks like it doesn't really fit that well in there. It kind of looks like it's too small for the bag, but that's okay. We'll make it work. We'll probably just tuck the handle in. And we've just got a protective layer, I guess, which I probably will keep this just in case. This is also good for when you're traveling with shoes and you want to kind of separate the shoes from the rest of your clothes in your luggage. And this is a bag that we're going to open. Yay. So this is the bag. It's kind of like I think they described it like a cherry chocolate color. So it's kind of like a chocolatey brown with a bit of like a reddish purplish tone to it, but it's quite neutral, I'd say. A little bit maybe on the warmer tone. It's definitely not cool tone bag, but I love it. I love the way it looks. It is a suede leather as well, and it does have the bottom as well just to keep that shape. So I'm just going to take this off to show you. And this is also the Renee bag in chocolate brown and silver hardware. So that's the bag's name. I'll just take the stuffing out. Okay, so I've just taken all the stuffing out. I guess it was a lot because it was kind of holding the shape of the bag, but this is a bag. It's the same on both sides. It's just got stitching down the middle on the sides, and it's kind of got this like a half circle shape. The handles are also brown. They're a different leather. They're not suede as well, so they're kind of like the normal leather, and they've got a little button detail there as well. It just says Nakedvice on that twice there, so that's that detail there. There's some construction going on outside, so hopefully you can't hear it, but I love it. I love that it's a bit slouchy. It's not very structured, but it does hold its shape even when you're holding on the handle. The bottom doesn't really cave in or anything like that. There's a little magnetic closure here, and it's got a open leather pocket in there and also a zipper pocket on this other side, which is quite spacious. I think you could probably put your phone and lip glosses and things like that in there. There's quite a lot of room in this bag as well, which is really what I wanted. And the inside is just, it's probably just like a polyester, and I think I don't mind that because then that way it won't really get damaged, and it feels like it's quite durable, which is good. Inside pocket also has the logo in there as well. So there's not really any logos on the outside. It's just mainly the little buckle here and then on the inside as well. But yeah, the bottom is a leather. There's no legs or anything, but I think that kind of adds to the slouchiness of the bag. It's not really supposed to be a structured bag, and that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want something too structured, but I also like this bottom part as well, just because if I put my camera in there, it'll be nice and sturdy, and also just be able to sit in there nicely without kind of, if I put my bag down and my camera's in there, the camera's kind of going to be the first thing that hits the ground or hits the table. So yeah, super happy with this. I love it. I'm going to do like a little try on just to show you what it looks like, and also see what kind of things I can fit in there as well. Because of the suede as well, I will probably do a coat of a protective kind of waterproof layer with a spray that I've got at home. I also just want to be able to use it every day and protect it as much as I can, but not stress about that too much as well. I don't mind if it starts to kind of have that lived in look as well over time, because I know that suede does change as well. It's It's very delicate, but I love the bag kind of slouchiness as well, so that will be really nice for everyday wear as well. In terms of what it fits as well, it is very spacious. For example, I won't be really using it for laptop purposes, and I don't have my laptop with me at the moment, so I can't check, but I do have my iPad, which fits very nicely in there. So that's just there on the side. Sorry, I'm just doing it with one hand, but that's my makeup bag in there. It's got a few items in there, and so it fits my iPad and then my makeup bag. And then I've got all this space here on the side as well, and just kind of on top of the makeup bag as well if I need. I really love how it looks, and I'm still able to close it up with the iPad and my makeup bag in there. So this is it with my iPad and makeup bag in there as well.